What's up, guys? We're playing Subway Surfers Part 2. Part 1 was really awesome, so I decided to make a Part 2. And yeah, let's do it. Welcome pack, limited time offer, Miss Maya. If that was free, I would definitely get it, but I don't got $4.99. Nah, man. Subway Surfers is collabing with Brawl Stars. That's actually surprising, cause like they haven't really collabed. I haven't really seen them collab with anybody. Like they're collabing with Brawl Stars. That's pretty cool. I might download Brawl Stars after this, but I'll see. Wait, what is this icon on the skateboards? Need help? Use the hoverboards. Surf away from trouble. Hoverboard save you from crashing. How to activate double tap while running. Where can I get more? Get hoverboards in the shop. Let's get 3 free, guys. We got 7. We gotta keep our balance moving, guys. Whenever we're running. So enough with all of that. Let's go ahead and start playing. Well, the police guy and his dog are chasing me again. And I died, but you know what? Not hard at all. Guys, I'm gonna thank myself for this because if I didn't have enough keys or any key at all, then I would be cooked. Yeah. Motor. Oh yeah, that's the word. That's the word. I got this magnet thing, bro. This magnet thing is awesome. You know why? Because it just is. Comment down below if Subway Surfers is your favorite game, guys. Yeah. Pick up 2 pogo sticks. Yeah. Pogo sticks are actually awesome. But you know what's even more awesome? Having a character that's a girl. No, I'm just kidding. But I might change my character after this. If I'm gonna change it, I'm gonna change it to the Jake version with the shirt. I don't know what I'm looking at. Alright guys, I just died, but like I don't know what that was. But like I was saying, if I change my character, I'm gonna change it to the Dark Jake because that one is cool. That's my favorite Jake version. Yeah, honestly, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just doing some random stuff. Magnets. We got another one. We got like 3 in the run. I guess it's cool that we got another one. Bro. How do I keep dying? Oh yeah, I got enough keys, so I don't gotta worry about it. Yeah. Wanna know a real deal? That is one. These trains are getting into the vibe. Not even capping. Like, yo, these trains are actually the best, but like, they could be better, you know? Where's that police guy at? Did he finally go home? Nope, he did it. He's still doing his job. Never mind. We don't got any more keys. Yo, look at... Oh my god, bro. What is that number? Yo. You know what? Alright, finally, we got it, guys. Good news, a new bro. This was a part 1. I'm not updating the Subway Surfers app. I'm fine with the way it is. Harumi, I need 75 keys for that, bro. Dang. You know what? Where's Jake? Where's Jake? Jake, where you at, bro? Tag bot. Hold on, I know I just found Jake somewhere. Where is he? Yo, how did I not see him? Yo! Look at him eating that sandwich. Yo, if he's hungry, respect to man, bro. Yeah. Alright, yo, we're back in the mission, and we have finally got back up to the point that is escalating. Jetpack. Wait, what's outside? What's outside? What's that noise outside? Oh, wait. Yo, these trains are just making a random noise every time they pass by. Yo. I got this, guys. Believe in me. Have hope for me. Have faith. Believe in me that I can easily go through these trains and have a good time. This guy and his dog are chasing me again. Like, are they trying to get my attention? Yo. I just saved myself. Thank me later. Or actually, don't thank me at all. You know what? It's up to y'all. I'm required to stay strong and pleasant and be precise about who I really am. Yep. That's what you're supposed to do. And that's what you're supposed to put your mind into. Yup. We just died. Oh, wait. Wait. Hold on. Yo, I just wasted all my keys. I died like 4 seconds after I revived myself. Isn't that crazy, guys? Yo, comment down below if that's crazy. Or don't. You know what? Just don't do it at all. Oh my god, bro. Yo, I just had to watch an ad, bro. Oh my god. Well, guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I'm out. See y'all in part 3. Maybe it'll come tomorrow, maybe not.